traders, welcome back. As you can see here, we are on the gold chart or XAUUSD chart, and it is 4-hour time frame. We have this trend line, okay. We had this triangle for the price in daily time frame, which was broken to the upside, and the price made a pullback to this trend line and started going up, okay. If we continue this trend line, we can see the price again rejected from that trend line here, okay, and we have a pin bar, and the price started going up. And also we have another trend line here, okay, which I just added this one a few moments ago. We have this trend line with one touch, two touches, and here it is the third touch, okay, and the price rejected from these two trend lines, okay. And you know, it is these trend lines right now playing the role of a support for the price, okay. And you know, the price has started going up from here. If we check lower time frames, like let me go to 1 hour. If the chart gets loaded, yeah, you know, we can see the price was falling, okay, with candles without shadow from downside. You know, we had shadows, but you know, small shadows from downside. But when the price touches this trend line here, the price, you know, makes a candle like this one, a really nice green candle without any shadow from upside, okay, showing that the buyers are strong, okay, and we have no sellers here, okay. And the price started going up from here. But right now what is happening is, in 5-minute time frame we can have a position, okay. I drew this trend line. It had just two touches, and this is the new touch, okay, third touch. So we extend it like this one and wait for the price to break this trend line to the upside. But also we have this resistance in front of the price, okay. It's okay, this is a resistance for the price, right? But if this trend line breaks to the upside in 5-minute time frame and a candle's body can close up there, we can enter buy position, okay. I enter because I understood that, you know, breakouts are more important than resistance supports, okay, resistances and supports. The things that you should know is we had the price falling, and we had some, you know, trend lines here, really nice, you know, market compared to crypto markets. You know, we had this trend line with 3 touches. It was broken here. We had the chance to enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles and get our reward. You know, of course it is more than risk to reward too, okay. And you know, we have some small trend lines in lower time frames like this one, 1-minute time frame, and we have this one here too. You know, we have this trend line here, okay, and we have the bigger trend line in the 4-hour time frame, playing the role of a support, okay, acting as a support. So we have this support here, and we have this trend line. When it gets broken to the upside, so we can enter here, risk here, and enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer, wherever we like, and get our reward. And it is, of course, it is more than risk to reward too. And as I told you, if this trend line breaks to the upside, okay, we can enter buy position and get our reward. Also make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily crypto and forex analysis, and watch the next part too, the education part, which I'm gonna show you the yesterday's positions too. So let's move to the next guys part. As you can see here, we are on the gold chart, XAUUSD chart, 5-minute time frame, and we're gonna see the 6 profitable positions I made on 18th of April. As you can see, on the first position we did have this trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches on it. On the fourth time it was broken somewhere here. We had the chance to enter buy position, put our stop loss below this candle here, or for more safety you can put it here, and look for risk to reward too, which the price gives us something around 2.8 somewhere here, okay. On the second position we did have this trend line, again with 2 touches on it. On the third time it was broken here, we had the chance to enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us a reward of 2.8 again somewhere here. Okay, on the third position we did have this resistance for the price. The price was going up and touches an invisible level, okay, which we didn't have any resistance in front of the price, okay, in the past of the market. The price, actually we have it, okay, it is not important we have it or not, okay. This is a resistance for the price. We draw this resistance line, and in the future the price returns to that level and touches it and makes a candle like this one, a rejection, okay. We can risk on that and enter sell the position, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gives us a reward of 2.5 somewhere here. On the trade 4, let me clean it. On the trade 4 we had this trend line with 2 touches on it. On the third time it was broken somewhere here, we had the chance to enter buy position there, put our stop loss below this candle, and it gives us a reward of 2.8 somewhere here. On the trade 5 we had again another resistance for the price. The price was going up and touches a level and starts falling, okay. So this is a resistance for the price. As it is a support for the price, you should draw some support like this, but we have no candle here to actually enter buy position here, okay. All you see is red candles breaking this support to the downside, okay. So we should have the candle on support and resistances to decide based on them and enter buy and sell positions. In this one here we had this kind of pin bar. It is actually a big pin bar, but it's okay. We can enter sell position here, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gives us a reward of something around 4 somewhere here. And also we had another support here. The price was falling and touches a level and starts going up. The level that caused the price going up this much, so it is a nice support for the price, okay. It's a nice level. As you can see, we draw this support for the price, and the price reacts to this support and makes a pin bar here, okay, like this one here. We can enter buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle, and look for our reward, which the price is actually pumped up actually, and gave us our risk to reward too. Of course it gives us our reward. Let me draw this one. I didn't enter this position, but we had the chance to have some profit from this position too. As you can see, this position gave us a actually RR5 here, okay. And on the last position we did have this trend line, which it was like this at the first look. We connect this one to this one here, and it gives us here, okay, this point, and the price can't close the body of this candle below this trend line, okay, and it makes a shadow here. So we extend the trend line, and again here, okay, and also here too, another one here, but finally it breaks it somewhere here, okay. We have the chance to enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles, and it gives us a reward of 2.1 somewhere here. And after it gives us our risk to reward too, the market gets a range, okay, like this one. And it was all about today's analysis and the education part. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the gold or XAUUSD in the upcoming days. Thank you and bye bye.